everyone, how are you today? I hope all of you doing great at home, yeah? And don't forget to stay healthy. And then today we talk about science. And don't forget to prepare your book and maybe your pencil case. And then, are you ready for science time? Okay, now we talk about in different unit. We learn in the new unit in unit 7. Today we talk about sources of light or light. Now in unit 7.1, you can open your book page 110. Finish. Okay, next year. In this unit, I want you to learn this. Compare different light sources. You can open your book and then see the pictures. The first one, we talk about sources of light. What are sources of light? Yeah, in their books, Sarah's ambition is to become a famous scientist. How can learning about science at school help Sarah make her dream come true? Okay, light make it possible for us to see. A light source makes its own light. There are many different light sources, like torch, like this, fire, or light bulb. The sun is the most important light sources for life on Earth. So, because the sun is the main sources of light in our Earth. Okay. Now you can open your book, page 110, and then take your pen. We do this exercise together. I have 6 pictures of light, the sources of light. I want you to take the sources of light. Where is the source of light? We have match, torch, TV, mirror, candle, and ring. Good job, A. You can tick A, match. And then, torch. Good job, B, tick. And then, the last one. Oh, not the last one, but TV. Good job. You can tick TV. And then the last one. Good job, candle. Yes, give applause to us. Okay, next, for the next page. Natural and artificial light sources. Natural or artificial light sources, yeah? Light sources can be natural or artificial. Natural light sources make their own light. And then people make artificial light sources. Now, this is the example of natural and artificial light sources. The first one about fireflies. Fireflies in a container. This is the example of natural light sources. And then torch giving light. The boys hands torch and giving light. This is the example of artificial light sources. A torch is an artificial light sources because they have a battery power is to make light. Next. Now, I have the question. I want you to answer and then write down in your book, in your science book. Number 1, what natural light sources do you know? What's the example of light sources that you know? Okay, you can write down the answer, yeah? The sun, stars, some animals like fireflies and glowworms. Okay, and then number 2, what artificial light sources do you know? What's the example of artificial light? Yes, candle, fire, torch, lamps, street lights, traffic lights, computers, televisions, mobile phones, and etc. And then number 3, how do the different light sources make light? Yeah, I have the example. A desk lamp gives off light by changing electrical energy into light energy. Okay, finish ya. Next. Now you can open your book page 111. Write N for natural light sources and write A for artificial light sources. I have 5 pictures. Write N and A. Okay. Sun, natural or artificial? Good job. Add natural. And then television, natural or artificial? Yes, artificial. And then lamp, natural or artificial? Good job, artificial. And then glowworms, natural or artificial? Glowworms like a firefly. Yes, natural. And then fireworks, natural or artificial? Yay! Good job! Artificial. Give applause to us. And then next, bright and dim light sources. Light sources do not all have the same brightness. Yeah? Some sources of light are weak. A night light has a dim light. For reading and other text, you need bright light, like a desk lamp or natural daylight, but not too bright. Very bright light sources include the sun and floodlights in a sports stadium. The sun is the brightest light sources. Looking directly at very bright light sources can be bad for your eyes. Now, don't look directly the bright light sources. It can be make your eyes uh, irritation or bad. Okay, next. Objects that reflect lights. You can open your book in page 113. Some objects and materials do not make their own light. They are not light sources. They reflect light. Light from a light source bounces off this object. We can see reflective materials in the dark. Light bounces off them. They are good reflection. Okay, like this. We can see the moon at night because it reflects the night or reflects the light of the sun. Okay, you can see the reflects the moon. And then safety clothing with strips of reflective materials. Glow in the dark, yeah, the safety clothing. Okay, that's all for our meeting, but you have the homework in your book. You can open your book page 112. Do in your book and don't forget to take a photo and then submit it in Google Classroom. Okay, you can see the schedule, yeah, don't be late, okay? See you on the next meeting. Bye-bye.